Hmm?
Mm.
Okay. All right, Amy, we are in Sitges.
Spain, right outside of Barcelona. It's a coastal city, and it's amazing if you are visiting Barcelona and you want to get away for a few hours and visit the coast. Have kind of that South Beach Miami feel without the crowds. I would highly recommend visiting Sitges, Spain. It's absolutely incredible. It really like when we had lunch, I kept saying like this looks exactly like South Beach, except
Nice.
except nicer, without the crime, without any crowds, and it's absolutely beautiful. So definitely, if you are in Barcelona and you want to have that tropical feeling, that South Beach day, go to Sitges.
All right. So we're going to walk up to this church. We're going to show you some beaches. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. How does it say let's go in Spanish?
Vale or sale. It depends on where you are in Latin America, honestly.
Vale!
Vale in Spain.
I mean, what do we got? Giving a high five to a mermaid? I'm pretty sure you're part mermaid. You have to go to the sea every once in a while just to recharge, huh?
Yeah, totally.
This is a cool statue.
That's incredible because like the parts on her that have been touched the most
That have been worn off?
Or have been worn off.
For luck. For luck.
Yeah, and here.
That's smart. I like her. That makes sense though.
Absolutely.
Wow, and look at the sailboats and everything. The waves crashing in. And then the steps go up. Where do these stairs go? Amy, where do these stairs go?
Up.
They go up. And we're gonna see even more. That's cool that it's built right on the ocean side. I don't want to drop my camera in, that's for sure. Look at this drop. I want to show you this drop, right?
No, everything.
90 degrees.
In Europe, it's just not built for if you.
It's not built for safety?
It's not built for safety.
Not even a guardrail.
It's just like common sense. Like
Don't
walk
fall
off
into
that.
the ocean.
Don't fall in there.
Don't fall into the rocks. So Amy's gonna lead us up here throughout beautiful views. It's Sunday, so the bells were ringing. Cute dog. There is a sign that says no cliff diving. That seems smart since there's just rocks below. All right, I'll meet you up there. All right, Amy, you know what I like most about this church?
What?
I like that it has a cannon. How many churches do you know have a cannon? Get through here. Gotta show you this cannon. This is the original cannon too.
That's incredible.
So yeah, really beautiful view, but don't come up here and try to pirate this church.
No.
They'll get you.
I have to learn.
So this is the view next to the church. You can see just absolutely gorgeous sailboats and whatnot.
Honestly, to be like we've been in Europe.
Watch out. Oh, sorry.
We've been in Europe for the past couple of weeks, and everywhere we've been has been so busy. So many people. I would say this is pretty low key.
Yeah, there's people here. This is
Yeah,
as busy as we've seen, right?
There's people, but it's not crazy.
Yeah, it's not like Rome.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're looking for a place that's kind of like off the map, like
Yeah.
a little bit low key,
That's a great location.
Sitges is a great location.
All right, as we come around the church, they have an accordion player. A lot of people playing pickleball on the beach today. Lots of cool dogs too. I gotta say, I like the dogs. So everyone seems to be huddled around here. We're gonna see what's going on. What are you doing? All right, so this is your first major trip to Europe, right?
Yes.
And how do you describe it?
It's insane.
It's crazy. She said that a lot, and Amy keeps saying that this looks like it's out of a video game.
It doesn't make sense. Like if you've never been to Europe before, I highly recommend coming to this city. It's so beautiful. Everything just seems like it's not real.
All right, and as somebody who's lived in Europe, This is a really pretty city. Still is. So it's kind of fun to see all of this through Amy's eyes because she's only been to Europe for a week and everything is new and fresh to her. I lived here for 3 years. So I got more of a, oh, this is a nice town. I've been to places like this many a times, but this is really a prettier town than most. And I think she's definitely feeling it. She's always somebody who's super excited by the waves. You can see that smile is genuine. She's super excited by the waves and the water and the beaches. She's having a good time. I think that's what this channel's about, is having a good time and sharing it with you. And for people who are looking to travel, this is a great option. And a lot of people can't travel, whether that's physically or, monetarily or whatnot. So hopefully we're able to share some of these adventures with you. And you have a good time as well. Let me zoom out there for you. But yeah, the beaches are gorgeous. And then there's a lot of restaurants that overlook the water. You can hear the waves. I like that in Europe, everything isn't drowned out by commercial sounds. Like there aren't rock bands and stations going all the time in the background. You don't have to listen to Led Zeppelin when you hear the waves. I appreciate that. Not that I have anything against Led Zeppelin. Amy's just grinning ear to ear. So Amy likes this variety of flags up there. Spain and EU, etc. Catalan flag. Yeah. What do you think? Would you get a condo up overlooking the ocean over here? Very nice, right? Now the beach is semi-topless, so I'm not trying to show too many up closes of that, just out of respect for the people here.
But it's Europe.
It's Europe.
It's
not a thing.
Not a thing.
So, but trying to be polite. And yeah, really an absolutely gorgeous adventure and a great day. Let's go ahead and take a look at this statue.
This is exactly like the balconies on that. It's exactly like in Thailand.
Oh, okay. She says the balconies remind you of Thailand.
That one?
Oh,
Yeah.
of the Labua hotel that we stayed at, and check that video there. It's a fun statue. I'll peek up one of these streets next.
Yes.
But yeah, the overall water is gorgeous. All right, folks, so something that a lot of people point out is how cool these streets look and how cool the doors are. Look at these door knockers. Don't want to knock. Ooh, careful. And it's just cool looking, right? Like you don't see this in many countries. Show you the streets. I mean, this one isn't the most perfect, but still pretty cool, right? And you can't wait to get up here and see what this building looks like. There's definitely a medieval feel on a lot of the streets. Right? Wouldn't meet current building standards, but I like what they've done here. And it's just a pretty area, right? Like you come around here and this is just a random corner building. Very medieval.
And I think this is one of the
Art galleries, photography.
Yeah, one of the most touristic weekends in all of Barcelona. And
Yeah.
this is pretty untouched. So yeah.
And coming out of that alley is the other side of the church we haven't seen yet. Nice little bistros, places to eat, little tourist shops. And let's see what we can see here. So that's pretty cool. Amy keeps calling this crazy. It's crazy. And there's a lot to see. She's encouraging everyone to visit.
I don't know if you should because that would diminished the magic a little bit. And some of the really cool things about being here is that it's just like not nearly as busy as you think that it would be.
Right.
It's absolutely beautiful.
You know, the thing is, I really hope they have some AC/DC shirts. If they don't have any Slipknot shirts and Black Sabbath, I'm gonna be really, oh, good. Thank goodness.
Black Sabbath.
AC/DC, Slipknot, Black Sabbath. I like it.
For your babies.
So what does this translate to?
No, something to be I don't know. That's in Catalanian. I don't know.
You want to speak Spanish, not Catalanian?
Yeah.
Fair enough. So Catalanian is a mix of French and Spanish, and what else?
Like a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything?
It's not Spanish. It's like almost Spanish.
Fair enough. Oh, really pretty streets for sure. Just a lot of good boys. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Going down to the water again. Amy, this chocolate place smells good. This is like Willy Wonka's house. Wow, so they just have it out. Chocolate leche. Hola, buenas tardes. Look at this. Can you see this? I don't know how much it is. $8.95 per 100 grams. Is that what that is?
This is so cute.
Wow, look at that. Chocolate con leche. Chocolate negro.
Credit card? Yeah. It's self-service. You can mix or you buy weight.
So it's self-service by weight. So we got to get something. Do you have an idea what you're getting? All right, I'm going to use the little bag. Weighs less. And then we'll figure out exactly what we're going to eat. I probably just need a little medallion of something. All right, you're going to try the little cherry, the little hearts. Okay, she's going to just one of the hearts.
Remember the little tin, the tin of biscuit, vanilla biscuits?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Here's the one.
All right. So that was, what? Thank you. So that was about $8, and we got these three guys. Amy was really interested in the cute little heart. You love macaroons, and I like a little bit of crunchies in my chocolate, so this is going to be a good day for everyone. All right, first bite. I assume that's almonds inside. I didn't really read it. There's a good crunch in it. That's a wonderful flavor. Rich chocolate for sure. Amy, you ready to try yours?
Yeah.
All right, Amy.
How cute is this? And the inside is like, meh.
Is that white chocolate, you think?
No.
Better take a bite and find out.
Cheese. I don't even
Could
know.
be cheese, probably chocolate. Oh, wow. It's like white chocolate with a
Oh my goodness.
fudgy filling.
It's so
How's the inside taste?
So good.
Yeah? Can I try a little bite of it?
Uh-huh. It's like chocolate.
Yeah, it's like white chocolate with, like more of a fudgy filling. Delicious. The one thing that I think we glossed over in this video so far is the beautiful beaches. Sitges has 17 beaches, 11 of which are in town, and they are absolutely gorgeous. You can tell the locals really love them. Many of them are NUDE beaches, and one is particularly dedicated to the LGBTQ community. I'll leave you with a few views from the beaches, But I'll ask that you go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know we appreciate those subscribes. Click like and leave us comments and your opinions below. You know we read every single comment and we love to hear from you. On behalf of Amy, I'm Adam. Thanks for watching.